Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Share Experience. In this video, we are going to learn about rectification of errors. Before going into the problems, let's understand the types of errors that we generally commit while recording transactions in the books of accounts. Errors are majorly classified into 4 types. Errors of omission, errors of commission, errors of principal, and compensating errors. In these types of errors, some errors will affect trial balance, which means that debit and credit balances in the trial balance will not match with each other. Some will not affect trial balance, which means debit and credit balances in the trial balance will still match with each other. Now let's understand each type of error one by one. First type is errors of omission. Errors of omission is further classified into 2 types, that is error of complete omission and error of partial omission. Error of complete omission means we have not entered the transaction in books of accounts at all. Means we have forgot to enter the transaction in books of accounts. For example, we have sold goods to Tim on credit basis, but we forgot to update the credit sales amount in the sales book. This type of error is called error of complete omission. And this error of complete omission will not affect trial balance because we have not recorded the journal entry itself. So the amount will not come to trial balance. So this will not affect trial balance. We have another type under errors of omissions, that is error of partial omission. For example, we will take the same example, that is sold goods to Tim on credit basis. Whenever we sell goods on credit basis, the journal entry would be customer account debtor to sales account. Here we have sold goods to Tim, so the journal will be Tim account debtor to sales account. Here we have updated the sales amount in the sales book, but we forgot to update it Tim account. So this type of error is called error of partial omission. This error will affect trial balance. Our next type of errors is errors of commission. These errors are related to wrong recording, wrong casting. Casting is nothing but totaling. Wrong carrying forward, wrong posting. All these types of errors come under errors of commission. Our first type of error under errors of commission is error of recording. What is error of recording? While recording the transaction, by mistake we have recorded with wrong amount. This type of error is called error of recording. And this type of error will not affect trial balance because we have updated the wrong amount for both aspects, that is for debit aspect and as well as credit aspect. Second type of error under errors of commission is error of casting. Casting means totaling. While adding the amounts of any account, by mistake we have added it incorrectly and same amount is posted to ledger. So this type of error is called error of casting. For example, sales book is totaled as 20,000 instead of 2 lakh and the same amount is posted in ledger. So this type of error is called error of casting. And this type of error will affect trial balance. Third type of error under errors of commission is error in carrying forward. This error arises when we have carried forward the wrong total amount from one page to another page. So this error affects the trial balance. Next one is error of posting. While posting the totals of sales book or purchase book or sales returns book or purchase returns book in the ledger, by mistake we have posted with incorrect amount. So this is called error of posting. This will affect trial balance. Our next type of error is error of principle. This is the third type of error. While recording the journal entries, we follow accounting principles. When we don't follow the accounting principles and record the journal entries, those type of errors are called errors of principle. For example, we have purchased a machinery. When we purchase a machinery or an asset, the journal will be asset account data to cash or bank account. Here we have purchased machinery, so the journal will be machinery account data to cash or bank account. So by mistake, we have wrongly debited to purchases account instead of machinery account. So this type of error is called error of principle. Purchasing machinery is considered as a capital expenditure. Purchasing goods is considered as a revenue expenditure. Both are expenses. These two amounts we will mention in the debit side of the trial balance. So this error will not affect trial balance. Our last type of error is compensating errors. Compensating errors means one error is compensating with another error. For example, purchases account total undercast by 1000 and sales returns book total is overcasted by 2000. These two accounts balances we will mention it in the debit side of the trial balance. Here one account balance is decreased by 1000, another account balance is increased by 1000. So the other account error is compensating with the first account. That is, the extra 1000 in the sales returns book balance is compensating with purchase account balance. This type of errors are called compensating errors, and this type of error will not affect trial balance. For your easy reference, I have listed the errors that affect the trial balance on one side and errors that don't affect the trial balance on the other side. Errors that don't affect the trial balance are errors of complete omission, errors of recording, errors of principle, compensating errors. So these errors will not affect trial balance, and these errors are also known as two-sided errors. Errors that affect the trial balance are partial omission, error of casting, error of carrying forward, error of posting. All these errors will affect trial balance, and all these types of errors are also known as one-sided errors. Apart from the above discussed errors, there are some more errors like writing wrong balance of an account in trial balance and wrong totaling of the trial balance. Even these two errors will affect trial balance. And posting correct amount on the correct side but in the wrong account. So this type of error will not affect trial balance. Hope you understood the types of errors. In the next video, we will solve problems related to rectification of errors. And if you guys have any questions, please post in the comment section below. And also, if you like the explanation, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and also share this video with your friends. Thanks a lot for watching this video.